What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best bow hunting site on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. LWANO M2 Cpmpound Bow Sight. The LWANO M2 compound bow sight is designed to help archers shoot more accurately and consistently, especially when hunting or practicing at different distances. It's a 5-pin bow sight, meaning it gives you multiple aiming points so you can confidently engage targets at varying ranges without guesswork. Build quality. This sight is made from high-strength aluminum alloy and quality metal components, which keeps it lightweight but durable, able to withstand outdoor use, shock, and rough handling. The matte finish on many versions also helps reduce glare so bright light doesn't interfere with your sight picture. Visibility and pins. The ultra-bright 019 fiber optic pins collect light and make your aiming points pop even in low light, while a rheostat light lets you adjust pin brightness for dawn, dusk, or shaded woods. Clear pins make it easier to focus on your target quickly and confidently. Easy adjustments. One of the most celebrated features is the tool-less adjustment system. Micro-adjustable knobs let you tweak windage, left/right, and elevation, up/down, without a wrench. Laser engraved markings and audible clicks help you dial in precise settings on the fly. Magnification and versatility. Many M2 models include a 2 multiplied by magnification lens to tighten focus at longer distances, and this lens is detachable, with options to upgrade to a 4 multiplied by, 6 multiplied by, or 8 multiplied by lens if you want even more precision. The adjustable sight bar also helps you match the sight to your peep height and shooting style. Why use it? This sight delivers clear aiming points, adjustable fine-tuning, and better visibility, all of which translate to tighter groupings and improved confidence on the range or in the field. Whether you're a beginner aiming to improve accuracy or an experienced archer hunting in varying light conditions, the LWANO M2 offers excellent performance and value. Number 2. Trophy Ridge React H4 Bow Sight. The Trophy Ridge React H4 bow sight is a well-designed 4-pin sight that combines innovative technology with user-friendly adjustments and solid construction, making it a popular choice for both hunting and general shooting. Quality and construction. This sight is made with lightweight yet durable materials, including soft-touch ballistics, copolymer registered, and quality metal parts, which help reduce overall bow weight while remaining sturdy in the field. Its build balances resilience and comfort, so it won't drag your setup down on long hunts. React technology. Simplified setup. One of the standout features is React registered technology. After setting just 2 pins, typically at known distances like 20 and 40 yards, the sight automatically calculates where the remaining pins should be for accurate aim at other distances. This means less guesswork and much faster sight in times compared to traditional multi-pin sights. Visibility and adjustability. The sight uses ultra-bright 019 fiber optic pins that gather light efficiently, helping you clearly see your aiming points even in low or fading light. It also includes a rheostat light so you can adjust brightness to match conditions. Easy, tool-less windage and elevation adjustments let you fine-tune your aim without extra tools on stand or range. Accuracy and practical features. The React H4 also features second axis leveling, a benefit when shooting from angles, which helps keep shots more accurate over varying distances. All of this adds up to a sight that's more precise and confidence-building than basic fixed sights. Why you should consider it. Choosing the React H4 means you get a sight that's easy to set up, accurate, and versatile. Perfect if you're transitioning from a basic sight, or if you want faster sight in with solid performance in real hunting or target scenarios. Its technology saves time, its pins improve visibility, and its overall design supports consistent, confident shooting. Number 3. Trophy Ridge React H5 Bow Sight. The Trophy Ridge React H5 bow sight is a 5-pin compound bow sight known for blending innovative aiming technology with practicality and ease of use, making it a strong choice for both new and experienced archers. Quality and construction. The React H5 is built using ballistics copolymer register, a material that keeps the sight lightweight yet durable, which helps reduce overall bow weight while still handling field use and vibration from repeated shots. Its sturdy build, along with a matte finish, means it won't easily snag, chip, or glare in bright light. React technology. Easier sight in. One of the biggest benefits is React register technology. Once you sight in your first 2 pins, like 20 id and 30 id, the sight automatically calculates the correct position for the remaining 3 pins. This cuts down on tedious manual pin spacing and makes sight in faster and more precise. Visibility and adjustments. React H5 comes with 5 ultra bright 019 horizontal fiber optic pins that are easy to see in various light conditions, useful for dawn, dusk, or shaded woods. A rheostat light lets you adjust brightness, and tool-less micro-click windage and elevation adjustments make precise tuning quick and easy in the field. Practical performance. The horizontal pin layout offers a clearer sight picture with less target obstruction than older vertical stacks, which many archers find improves target acquisition and accuracy. While the sight's polymer is lighter than full aluminum, it still stands up well to hunting conditions and frequent use. Why you should use it. The Trophy Ridge React H5 sight helps you sight in faster, aim more clearly, and make accurate shots at multiple distances without excessive trial and error. Its combination of innovative technology, visibility, and user-friendly adjustments makes it ideal for hunters and range shooters who want reliable performance without overcomplicating setup. Number 4. Burris Optics Oracle 2 Rangefinder Bow Sight. The Burris Optics Oracle 2 Rangefinder bow sight is one of the most advanced bow sights available, designed to give archers and hunters a significant edge in accuracy and confidence. At its core, it combines a rugged, well-built sight body with cutting-edge electronic rangefinding and angle compensation, a level of performance most traditional sights can't match. Quality and durability. Burris built the Oracle 2 to handle real-world field conditions. The sight's housing is solid, weather-resistant, and engineered for long-term reliability. Because it uses a glass-free port instead of a traditional lens window, you don't have to worry about glare, fog, or breakage affecting your view. That means less maintenance and more dependable performance when it matters most. Built-in range-finding advantage. What truly distinguishes the Oracle 2 is its integrated laser rangefinder. As you draw on a target, the unit instantly measures exact yardage and, combined with an electronic inclinometer, calculates the correct aiming point for that distance and shot angle. This on-the-fly adjustment reduces guesswork, eliminates the need for multiple yardage pins, and helps you make faster, more accurate shots, especially valuable in hunting situations where targets move or appear briefly. Smart, user-friendly design. The Oracle 2's aiming dot brightness adjusts for changing light conditions, and you can manually fine-tune it to your preference. Micro-adjustable cams and easy-to-use controls make initial sighting and ongoing tweaking straightforward. The sight also allows multiple arrow profiles to be saved, so if you change arrow setups, you don't have to re-zero everything. Why you should use it? If you want to improve your shot accuracy, reduce range estimation errors, and hunt with greater confidence, the Oracle 2 delivers real performance benefits. It streamlines distance measurement and aiming into one intuitive tool, helping you make more ethical, consistent shots across varied terrain and conditions. Number 5. FENJANER Archery 5-Pin Bow Sight 029 Fiber Optic Sight. The FENJANER Archery 5-Pin Bow Sight 029 Fiber Optic Sight is a solid, feature-rich aiming accessory designed to improve your accuracy and confidence whether you're practicing or hunting with a compound bow. Built with thoughtful engineering and practical features, it's a great option for beginners and intermediate archers looking to step up from basic sights. Strong build quality. This sight is crafted from CNC machined aluminum alloy, which gives it a strong yet relatively lightweight structure that holds up to regular outdoor use. The precision machining ensures components align correctly for accurate sighting over time, which boosts consistency. Bright fiber optic pins for clear aiming. One of the key benefits of this sight is its 5 ultra-bright 029 fiber optic pins. These pins gather ambient light and make your aiming points pop against backgrounds, improving your ability to see and aim precisely even in dimmer lighting at dawn or dusk. This can make a real difference in visibility compared to traditional non-fiber pins. Adjustability for personalized setup. The sight allows adjustments vertically, up/down, and horizontally, left/right, so you can fine-tune your pins to match your shooting distances and stance. This means more accurate shots across a variety of distances without guesswork. Integrated light and versatility. A detachable LED sight light with a rheostat, adjustable brightness, helps you keep the pins visible in changing light conditions, a useful benefit when hunting early or late in the day. The reversible mount design adds flexibility, allowing installation on many compound bows, right-hand variants. Why you should use it? If you want a bright, easy-to-see aiming system with adjustable pins and durable construction, the FENJANER 5-pin bow sight gives excellent value. It enhances accuracy, makes target acquisition faster, and adapts to differing light conditions, all of which can help you shoot more consistently and confidently in the field.